the Boss Angels, also known as Natalia and
Cindy Ann.
And today we are going to do a slime video. Cindy Ann was not very excited about this one because if you have ever watched Friends, she is so much like Monica, cleaning. Like if she's like, ooh, the table isn't clean enough, oh, she does it. And she's like getting up the towel, and walking around with a paper towel, seeing where there's dust.
That's so true.
And we have a guest star today, Millie.
This is my other cat, Millie. Say hi, Millie. She doesn't want to be here at all, so I'm gonna let her out of her misery. I just wanted to have her say hi. Okay, bye. Go.
Anyways, so what we're gonna do is we have 3 different types of slime. I love slime. Cindy Ann is grossed out by slime. So I'm gonna give her 3 options of what the slime could be called, and then she has 15 seconds to guess what it is called. So let's start off. Which one do you want to start off with?
I want this one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right. So just like look at me playing with it. Hear the sounds. Okay. So shh, complete silence.
Can I look?
Yeah, obviously.
Oh. Ooh. Ew. Are you supposed to break the balls?
No, they're foam balls. All right.
Oh.
Now let's listen, because this one.
Ew. Oh. Hey. Oh.
All right. So your options are crunchy slime.
Do I touch it?
If you want. So your options are crunchy slime, foam ball slime, or a huge foam ball slime. 10, 15,
What do you, wait,
14,
I don't understand.
13.
Clearly it's a ball slime. Ooh, and it's gross.
Wait, you have to
Ugh.
guess.
What are my options?
You're like, what are my options again? So crunchy slime, foam ball slime, or a huge foam ball slime. 15,
Crunchy
14.
slime.
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Oh my god.
It's
Are you
crunchy
serious?
slime. It's crunchy slime.
Ooh, that was luck of the draw.
All right, let's move on to this slime.
It looks like puke. Ew.
It's so glittery.
Ew, it looks like puke that you're playing with. Gross. I'm not a fan.
And it's really good for bubble pops.
It's good for what?
Bubble pops.
Bubble pops? Oh.
The fart
Okay.
sounding sounds.
Alright, so what are my options?
All right.
Guessing what kind that is?
So poke it.
Poke it? Okay.
All right.
Poking.
So it's either pokeable slime, glitter slime, or orange slime. 15, 14,
Ooh,
13.
it's glitter slime.
Yes!
Really?
I swear she did not know any of this.
I got lucky.
It's glitter slime. All right. Now we've got this green and black slime.
Okay, so that one reminds me of Alien. Ooh, the Alien movies. Or, well, yeah, I guess Alien movies. Oh, God.
So guys. So
You made this all tonight? You made these tonight?
no, I made them last night. This one I
made them
made
last
tonight.
night?
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Where were we?
You were at work and JJ was here. So now, feel this one
So where'd you make this?
at the dinner table.
Did you? Aw.
But there was.
She made it at a cleanable space. Okay. Okay.
So now play with it.
A little bit.
Do what I did. Stretch it.
It feels foamy. It reminds me of like a Nerf ball. like a not yet formed Nerf ball. Okay.
All right. So,
Or meatball. Make it into a hamburger patty. Okay, there. My mother would be proud. I made a perfect hamburger patty there.
all right.
Hi, Mom.
So, it's either butter slime, it's either clay slime, or it's foam slime. 15.
I'm going to say
14.
foam slime because it reminds me of a Nerf ball.
It's butter slime. See how it goes like this? Like it's spreadable.
Oh.
See how spreadable that is?
Holy cow.
See, hold on. Let's see how long it will spread.
Good job. Oh my God.
Like this one is not spreadable. This one is not spreadable, but this one's like
Wow.
amazing for spreading.
Good job. Like you made these last night.
Yeah. And some more stretching ASMR. Alright guys, so that is all with the challenge. I am still shaky because today was my talent show and I did a solo, a dance, and at the beginning me and my friends did an original song.
Well, that was a lot of slime for me. So while I process what is happening to my coffee table right now, I'm going to take a sip of my Caesar, hidden Caesar.
You're so cute, Cindy. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and click that thumbs up button. And please click that bell if you want to be notified for more videos like this one. Bye from the Boss Angels. Happy Friday!